All right, hi. So one of you sent an email that say that you didn't know how to access like a whole bunch of different things on this class. Let me show you. The first question was how to access Proctorio. Proctorio is not something you need to access. Okay, if an assignment requires Proctorio, it will tell you so, and it will walk you through the steps. Let's take an example, the student learning contract. You can tell that it requires Proctorio because it says remotely proctored. Okay, that's a sign that it requires Proctorio. Then you just click on it. If you have Proctorio already installed, then you'll just go through. And if you don't have Proctorio already, then it will just have a sign that says you don't have Proctorio and it requires you to do Proctorio. So yeah, so it will just go through the steps and it will figure it out for you. If you don't have it, it'll tell you how to install it. And if you do have it, then you'll just move on. So Proctorio is not something you need to worry about. Right, and the second question was about accessing MyOpenMath. Here's the homepage for our class. It starts with the syllabus module, but since you already read the syllabus, you don't need it there. You can click on the little arrow here to close it so that you can see the other things. Okay, so here's how where you enter the where you download the textbook as a PDF file, or you click on here and go to the page where you walk through a few steps and you end up downloading the same PDF file. But anyway, here's where you access MyOpenMath and other materials. So the chapter homework is here. If you click on it, it takes you directly to MyOpenMath, right? And then you have to like do other things. You can either redeem a late pass, or you can click on practice, etc. Because this was due September 10th. Let's go back. And the quiz. And look, it says remotely proctored. That means it requires Proctorio. And again, you click on it. And if you don't have Proctorio, it'll make you install Proctorio. Reading and video assignments, notes and handouts. You click on it, takes you to MyOpenMath, where you can watch the, all of this content is actually in MyOpenMath. And you can watch the videos for the different sections in the chapter. And the notes and handouts, some of them are Word documents, but most of them are PowerPoint. So let's say if I click on 1.2, then I get a PowerPoint. So yeah, now let's go back. Chapter 1 has all the materials here in the chapter 1 module and chapter 2. And once you're done with chapter 1, you can close this. Once you're done downloading the textbook, you can close this. Project is coming 24th. I probably want to leave it open so I can get it done. But yeah, so then you can go to chapter 2 and it's the same contents. Chapter 3, same contents. You can go through this to see what's due next. Another place where you can see what's due next is to click on the word syllabus on the menu here. And after the text of the syllabus, everything below that is like by due date. Chapter 1 homework was due on Friday, and chapter 1 quiz is going to be due on Monday. And chapter 2 homework will be due a week from Monday on September 20th. All right, so that's how you access things on MyOpenMath. All right, now going back to the homepage, another place where you can see what's due next is on the right-hand side of all of this. So if I move my screen over, so yeah, all of these modules, all of the modules on the left, and on the right, there are things to do, things that you haven't done yet that you should be done. Then on this account, I haven't done anything, so it has past due stuff from September 1st and 2nd. But you can see that it's all in order of due date. So I have the quiz chapter 1 coming up on September 13th and homework chapter 2 coming up on the 20th. So yeah, I don't have to click on the syllabus menu item at all. Right? I can just look on the right-hand side here. All right, and the third question was how to access Gradescope. You should have an email from team@gradescope.com that tells you that you've been added to the class and that you should click on this link to set the password. Everyone has a separate link, so don't share the link because it's different for different people. If it expires, you can request a new password reset link. It tells you what the email address that's associated with your account. So if you don't have this account, look into your student.cccd.edu mailbox. It goes there. It doesn't go to your Gmail. It doesn't go to your, Outlook or iPhone or whatever. It goes to your student.cccd.edu account. So go there, look for this email from team@gradescope.com and set your password. And then I believe that is really straightforward. The next question was about StatCrunch. So if you register for StatCrunch according to the instructions and all that you've received when you bought the packet, you should be able to get to a page like this. And what you do is down here, it says groups. You click on that. And then you search for Coastline. I gave you the full name, but Coastline by itself should be enough. Here it is, Coastline 160, Mr. Wu Fall 2021. So you click on that and you join. I mean, I'm not going to click on it now because I'm already in it, but yeah, just click on it and join. All right, I hope that helps. And the last thing I want to say is if you have trouble, especially with technical things that prevents you from doing things, ask for help sooner rather than later. As I always say, don't suffer alone. If you're having trouble, don't wait 2 weeks. Ask right away. Basically, share the pain so that first of all, maybe other people have the same questions and they will benefit from you asking it. And secondly, other people may be able to jump in and help. And definitely, I will be aware of the problem earlier so I can help earlier. All right. Bye.